have a new guide in my resource library. So if you would like access to many of these and other learning demos and white papers, all sorts of stuff, check that out. I've got info in the notes of the video here. But this one's on statistics in Excel. And it seems like with all of the new tools and technologies with data science and Python and all this stuff going on in the field that, doing statistics in Excel, I mean, that's why, right? What's the point of that? Well, the thing is that with using Excel, we can really peel back a lot of the hype and get a really kind of court level view of the data and statistics, because a lot of the things that we're doing in data science or data analytics, they all go back to statistics. And if we want a very granular view of how that works, there's no better way to do that than Excel. It's a great teaching pedagogical tool. So this half-day workshop focuses on understanding some of those fundamental statistical principles that take us from getting a data set to being able to ask and answer questions about the population represented by that data set. I've got on the second page here some learning objectives and ideas for exercises and assessments and things like that. You're going to see that the final capstone sounds pretty cool, right? It's A/B testing, which is definitely a very trendy, buzzworthy kind of a topic, but that's just statistics. There's other stuff that goes into it, but the core method right there is a very classical statistical method. So Excel, great tool for really getting under the hood with these tools and being able to separate the fact from fiction when it comes to all these new advances in data science and machine learning and all this stuff. Really, you need to understand statistics well before you can get any latch onto those kinds of fields. And like I said, Excel is a great pedagogical tool because you're really in there, right? You can't just assume that some kind of package you can load and have it do the work for you. You really got to get in under the hood yourself and do that work and look at the data and see it being transformed and analyzed in Excel. So here's a workshop. Hope you can get some use out of it. Like I said, I've got lots more of these in my resource library, so check that out as well. Thank you.